Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha Nirvalke and today's topic is the nervous systems. Nervous system is the complex network of the specialized cells that transmit the signal between the different parts of the body. It is essential for all bodily functions, include the movement, sensation, and the maintaining the homeostasis. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. In central nervous system, it is the CNS consists of the brain and the spinal cord. In brain consists the cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain responsible for the higher brain functions such as the tough actions and the emotions. It is divided into two hemisphere and the further into the lobes. Further into the lobe, the frontal, peripheral, and the temporal and the occipitals, each associated with the specific functions. The cerebellum located at the lack of the brain. It is responsible for the coordinating the voluntary movement, postures, balance, and the coordinations. Third one is brainstem. Brainstem is the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. The brainstem controls the basic life functions like breathing, heart rate, and the blood pressures. It also survive as the relay stations for the signal between the brain and the spinal cord. Spinal cord extend from uh, brainstem down to back and in case in the vertebral columns, it serves as the main pathway for information traveling between the brain and the rest of the body. The spinal cord also contains the neural circuit that control the reflex. Second is peripheral nervous systems. Peripheral nervous system is connect the CNS to the brain to the rest of the body, and it's divided into two major components. First is somatic nervous system. In somatic nervous system include the sensory neurons. These neurons carries the information from the sensory organs like skin, eyes, ear to the CNS. Second is motor neuron. This neuron transmit the signals from the CNS to muscle by controlling the voluntary movement. Third is the autonomic nervous systems. The autonomic nervous system regulates the involuntary bodily functions such as heart rate, digestion, and the respiratory rates. It's further divided into the sympathetic nervous system. It's prepare the body for the stressful or the emergency situations. It increases the heart rate, dilates the pupils, and inhibits digestions. Parasympathetic nervous system. It promotes the rest and digests the function, conserving the energy by slowing the heart rate, increase the digestive activity, and the relax muscles. Enteric nervous system. It is a part of the ANS. These networks of the neurons control the gastrointestinal functions. Third is neurons. Neurons are the basic functional unit of the nervous system. They are specialized cells that transmit the electrical and the chemical signals throughout the body. The typical neuron consists the cell body, soma, consists the nucleus and the other organelles. Dendrils. Dendrils is a branch-like structures that receive the signal from other neurons. Axon. Axon is a long cylinder projections that transmit the signal to other neurons or the effector cells. Neurotransmitters are the chemicals that transmit the signals across the synapse from the neuron to another. Function of nervous system: sensory input, gathering the information for sensory receptor about the change of internal and external environment. Integration, process and interpreting sensory input, deciding what action should be taken. Thank you.